All right, so let's discuss this numerical from electromagnetic induction. A very interesting numerical, and I will give you a detailed explanation for this. Let's read the question first. So, you have a situation where you have two circular coils. One is made up of iron, the other is made up of copper. Both are identical otherwise. The radius is same, and both are being subjected to same d phi by dt. So the d phi by dt is identical. Okay, so d phi by dt for the iron is equal to d phi by dt for the copper. Both are identical. Now let's talk about the question. The question is, which of the following is an incorrect statement, a wrong statement, right? So if you look into this, you will find that uh, since they're identical and are being subjected to the same d phi by dt, the number of turns, etc., everything is identical. Radius is same, area is same. So flux change rate is same. So therefore, the EMF is same is a correct statement, right? It is a correct statement. EMF will be same. If EMF is same, let's go to choice number 3 first. The induced currents are in the same direction. Absolutely. The induced current will also be in the same direction because there is no reason for the currents to be, opposing each other. Reason is identical d phi by dt is being given to them. So if if there is an increase in inward magnetic field here, then the same increase inward magnetic field is being applied here. So the direction of the current will remain same. So this is also a correct statement. Now, if you notice, so I have left 2 and 4, right? Now, when I heard iron and copper as the choices, what came to my mind was that the resistance of copper, okay, so the resistance of copper is much smaller than the resistance of iron for the same length, right? So R is equal to rho L by A, right? So resistivity of copper is low. It's a very good conductor. The length is identical. The area of cross section is identical, right? Because the materials, I said both are dimensionally equal. So that even the cross sectional area is same. So the resistance of copper is very less. Now EMF is same. If the EMF is same, then we know V is equal to IR. So V is same. So V iron is equal to I iron multiply by R iron. V copper, which is same as V iron, these two are equal, is equal to I copper multiply by R copper. Okay, so this means I iron multiply by R iron is equal to I copper multiply by R copper, right? One of the choices is if the current in the iron is lower than copper, right? So if I divide these two, what I will get is the current in copper is equal to current in iron multiplied by the R iron divided by R copper, right? So this ratio, the resistance of iron is much higher than the resistance of copper, is greater than 1, right? Therefore, I copper will be greater than I iron, which is also common sense. I just gave you explanation. For the same voltage, if you have less resistance available, the current will go up. The less resistance is available in the case of copper, and therefore the current in copper should be more. So it was a tricky question because I also got confused. The keyword was find the incorrect statement, and the that is what I was thinking. So this is also a correct statement that I copper will be greater than I iron. And now look at the statement number 2. Induced current is same. The induced current cannot be same. That's the incorrect statement. That is the answer you need to give. Confusing question not because of complexity, but because it asks you to calculate incorrect answers. Generally, we get used to answering correct ones. The moment an incorrect answer comes in your way, it does produce a level of difficulty because we are, we have a way of thinking, and that is a correct answer generally. So be careful whenever you are seeing a question that asks you to identify incorrect statements. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Every question in this channel, you can expect it to be part of NEET, JEE Mains, CBSE, or close to it. So don't forget to subscribe. You may miss important updates and important questions as the exams are coming. More important questions will come now. Thank you very much.